Hey, can I use your jet engine? No, this is my jet engine. Oh, gosh. Sorry, not so sorry. I'm calling the police on that train. Hey, what's the problem, sir? Wait a second, are you a ho-ho? No, I'm not a ho-ho. What do you think I'm a ho-ho? Because I'm Victor, because I got a job. Some Thomas just came here and kicked me off my jet engine and stole it. And I think he ran that way. Don't worry, we can do. Coming. Wait, you forgot me. I can help too, so I can get. Whoa, yeah. Stop, Thomas. Oh my gosh, they're taking shots. Griffin, I got 5 trains. Monkeys, I got half an. Okay, let's use the jet engine. No, not pussy. Laser on, go. Damn. Lasers? Where did they get lasers? Wait a second, I forgot my jet engine has powers. Where do all my jet engines go? They're on here. Okay. This is fun. Ow. You stole my jet engine for no reason. It is your own fault. Well, that means superpowers. Wait, what are you doing? Super Thomas powers. Ow. Now they're all dead. Now it's go. Okay. Let's put all these couple. That Mortimer was never coming.